Okay. Wait. Yes, Shreya. Yes, she said namaste, but in which language? You have to guess the language. Sit down. I want 7 standards to answer because 6 standard know very well what is the mother tongue of Devika. Yes, Avni? Okay, she write the...
Namaskar.
Okay, this I want 6 standards to guess. Yes, Atharva?
Marathi.
Yes, namaskar, she is saying it in Marathi. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, this one is easy. Yes, Meet. Where is Meet? Meet Matre from 7th standard. Is he there? Yes. Yes, hello is in.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. The language, please. The language. Yes, it's Urdu. Okay, don't shout his language from there. Wait. Yes. Let's start with someone. Yes. Is it right? Well? Oh, it's not Odia. Yes, Amma? It's Odia, it's fine. They said it, right. Okay. Thank you. One more.
Namaste.
Namaste. You can say it directly. Hindi. Okay.
International Mother Language Day is a worldwide annual observance held on 21st February to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote multilingualism. The ability to speak multiple languages or use of multiple languages is called multilingualism. A multilingual person is one who can communicate in more than one language, be it actively, through speaking or passively, or through listening and speaking. Thank you. There is a new constructed building in Forest. Many families from different states have migrated here because of transfer of their jobs. They are facing problems to communicate with each other and local people there. One day, a South Indian family came to settle in their building, and as said, they also started facing the problem. Let's see.
Namaskaram. Jangan dimana kuliah ain masih kalahan. काय बोलतात तुम्ही? मला तुमची भाषा कळत नाही.
As they tried to understand each other's languages, then the South Indian family went to a shop.
मैडम आपको क्या चाहिए? मैडम मुझे पैसे मांगते थे तो साझे क्या आपको पैसा? आप क्या बोल रहे हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आप प्लीज मुझे हिंदी में बताओ.
On the way to home, they met a Marwadi family near the society gate.
तुम्हाला इतना करेंगे तो മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല മലയാളം സംസാരിക്കാമോ?
Then the family say bye to each other by waving their hands. Let's see now the conversation between Marwadi and Urdu family.
Who there? In the middle. Who there? And loud they will say.
مرحبا يا شرف. Can you address?
So now we have seen how difficult it is to speak with people who don't understand our language. As you can see, the hustle-bustle about these problems in their families. Scene 5.
Hi guys, we have an leakage problem in our wash basin tap. Do you have contact of any plumber?
हाँ ठीक है लीजिए मैं इसीलिए मैं बाजू I'm not getting what it is doing. Let's go somewhere else.
अरे सुब्रजीत, कल तुझे पता है एक प्रॉब्लम हुआ मेरे साथ। कल मेरे शॉप पे 2 लोग आए थे और वो लोग क्या बोल रहे थे मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। तुझे तो सब भाषा आती है, तू मुझे मदद कर समझने में।
Subrajit helped to solve their problem in the same way as he noticed many people in the society had same problems. He helped everybody and taught them all the very basics of all the languages. After 2 months,
And then after 2 months or so they all
why this multilingual day is celebrated, how it originated. Okay, earlier when in the Pakistan, this question arises, what will be the official language? You know, in Pakistan maximum, if we see their origin, it comes Urdu language. But when West Bengal side, Bangladesh, when it is merging with the Pakistan, at that time they arise their voice, we want Bengali to be official language. So the same question or same thing when it comes to the India. And India is a diverse country. You know, we have many languages. And in our constitution there are 22 languages. So if every area of people start saying that our language should be an official language, then it will be very difficult to understand. But somewhere, whatever the official language is, somewhere we have to grow our own language, isn't it? If we speak in our own language, what happens? You express very beautifully and you are linked with your culture, isn't it? From childhood, your parents are saying, when you meet any stranger or adult, you say namaskar, namaste, kaise ho auntie, kaise ho uncle, isn't it? So why is it so? Why is it so in your language you should say? It expresses yourself beautifully, isn't it? When you cry and when you are angry, which language helps you? Mother tongue, right? So, you know, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, he has promoted this, that there should be a multilingual day, where all should have all should learn their own language. And it's a big question from the parents also. हमारा बच्चा ना हिंदी तो बोल लेता है, इंग्लिश भी बोल लेता है, तो जो मराठी लिखने के लिए आता है या पढ़ने के लिए, they are not good. तो why is it so? If we are promoting other language, हमको अपना language, our mother tongue, we should not forget. And you should be proud of your own language. When you speak your language in a proper way, it is always admired. So keep in mind, don't feel bad while saying your own language. You should know how to write the alphabets of your own language. Okay? And try to give the same thing to your friends and take from your friend their language. And you will become a multilingual. Anybody who know 6 languages here? Just think. 6 languages together. Any teacher?
बोलना जानता हूँ.
हाँ.
हाँ. थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकिन आता है.
कौन सी बोलिए?
इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथिली, थोड़ी थोड़ी पंजाबी, थोड़ी थोड़ी राजस्थानी और थोड़ी थोड़ी मराठी भी आती है. हल्की फुल्की, मतलब जहाँ जहाँ घूमी उतना उतना. भोजपुरी, अवधी, बिकॉज साहित्य में है. ब्रज भाषा, आई नो. एंड थोड़ी थोड़ी हरियाणवी, क्योंकि बीएड वहाँ से किया है तो फ्रेंड से मिला है. सो 10, उसके ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, बट 10 लैंग्वेज.
Clap for teacher. Why I asked this? Because there is a little bit difference in one or two languages. If somebody speaks, you can easily understand. क्यों नहीं? If there is a song in Marathi or in Punjabi, you can understand, no? You start even dancing on them. So what it means, you understand it. Okay? So the day says that today we should start learning the languages. See, when teacher was saying, मुझे ये भी आता है, you must have seen how she was feeling. She was feeling pride of it कि मुझे इतनी language आती है. So same thing should be with you. Try to learn more and more language. Okay? Thank you.